What's up, everybody? I'm back again with another vlog, and on today's vlog, we're working on the EG Coupe again. So, got my man Franfu this time. I know y'all miss Franfu. Franfu, what's up, boy? So, what we doing today, we working on the fuel system. So, I'm doing a fuel pump, fuel lines, and fuel rail. And I'm gonna try to put on the catch can. You guys saw last vlog, we did the bongs on the valve cover. So, let me show you guys what I have and what I'm putting on. This is what we got here. Got a Walbro 450, which came off a Big Red when it made the 567 horsepower. So I already got the fuel pump hanger out. I ain't want to show you guys that because that's pretty much self-explanatory. So I got the hanger out, and we're gonna adapt the Walbro 450 to the factory EG hanger. Then I have a -6 line PTFE, so the E85 won't corrode it. So that's another surprise. I think we're gonna tune E85 on the coupe. So we got that, and I got an AEM fuel rail, which I powder coated to match the intake manifold with a AEM fuel pressure regulator. So we're gonna get to work, and I'll be right back with you in a little bit. Okay, y'all. So I got the hanger all done. Check it out here in the light. So this is the 450, the Walbro 450. When you're doing these swaps with these pumps, make sure you put like an OEM style filter that faces back, because if not, you're not gonna have full suction of the gas. Pause. So, but here it is, and look, I got this banjo fitting. If you're looking for a banjo fitting like this is a -6 with a 12mm banjo. So I kind of soldered the wires back to like if it was factory, so I could plug it right in. Later on, I'll do the fuel pump relay. But for now, I just wanted to work with the car and turn on and work properly like if it had the factory on. But as you can tell, this 450 compared to the factory pump is a big difference. So I'm gonna install this on, and next is gonna be the fuel line with the fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator. So that's next on the glove. That means I'm working hard. Okay, so look, we got most of the stuff done. I'm gonna show you now what it's looking like, because we installed actually the pump with the hanger. We threw a 6AN line all the way to the front. We put the fuel rail on, and we actually did a return line, flex fuel sensor, and now I'm working on the catch can. But let me show you what it's looking like and bring you inside of here. So the pump hanger is now on. I have a return line here, 3/8 return line, and then a -6 fitting with the line coming forward. So we routed that under the car. I'll show you guys in a second. And came around here, and here's the fuel rail. This is the fitting for the valve cover bong, and we got the fuel rail on. Fuel pressure regulator is working. Return is hooked up, and the -6 line comes straight from the back, right through here, right into the fuel rail. So right now, I'm actually working on the catch can. So we got -10 fitting coming this way to the back of the block. So I'm working on those lines now. And then I'm gonna have one come from here to the top one on the catch can. And then, like I told you guys in the last vlog, I did 2 bongs, but I'm not necessarily gonna use both of them for now. If I ever go turbo, then I'll have 2, and I can always do the catch can that goes over there with the 3 vent holes, or 4, whatever it is. So this is just so I can have it here for now, and I don't gotta worry about this later. But here's the fuel rail. Factory injectors for now. I'll be changing the injectors out later on when I go tune. So, and then the flex fuel sensor, I actually put it back here. One of the bolts there is actually holding it in place. Let me see if I can get you in here. So I got the flex fuel mounted here, and they just regular push lock fittings, 3/8. So one is coming from the fuel tank, and one is coming from the return on the fuel pressure regulator. So the gas flows through here, and it'll read whatever percentage of E85 it is, because I'm gonna try to run E85 on this car. So this is basically here to read the percentage of the ethanol in the E85. So that's basically it for right now. I'm working on these lines here. Got the bottom one done. I'll be doing the top one and installing the intake, and I'll show you guys the finished product in a little bit. Oh, one more thing before I show you that. Let me see if I can show you guys under the car and show you how I routed the lines. Let me see. I don't know if you can see them too good there. Oh, there they go. So I routed the lines basically inside like the brackets that hold the factory lines. I got rid of the hard lines, and I ran the braided and the return line there. So I gotta take this off right now because it's hanging there. Gotta get rid of that. But that's basically it. It's nice and tight. Car turns on, and I'll turn it on for you guys in a little bit once everything's together. So see you in a little bit. So check this out. This is the finished product now. I'm about to throw some water on the engine bay because it was splattering like oil out of this port here. So, but the catch can is down here. See the two lines coming out? There's the top line here, and I'll just be running this line for now, and this one I'll block it off. I'm waiting for a -10 block off, but for now I actually have this right here, which I'll be using. Little homemade concoction to block this off, and this is just gonna be for now. But everything's working perfect. The return is perfect. Everything is how it needs to be. So what do you guys think about how it's looking now? Everything's looking nice and black though. The black look pretty cool now, right? But I'm still gonna powder coat that a different color. So this is the finished product. I got the Walbro in the back, fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator. Later on, we'll be swapping these injectors out. So got my man Franfu. We're about to wet the engine up and get rid of all this extra oil, and we're good to go. See you in a little bit. All right, y'all. So let me show you what the engine bay came out looking like. So, got the coupe here. I actually washed it down already and everything. So let me raise this up. Got rid of a lot of the dust here. So here's what the fuel rail looking like. It still got a little bit of oil stains. I gotta wipe it down with a rag, but I just hit it with a quick rinse. And so there's the regulator, fuel rail. I like the way this catch can came out down here though, man. I can't lie. Like, look how nice. And it's close to the tranny, but it won't touch. So it got just enough clearance there. This right here, I'll be ending up changing this filter. I'll probably put like a V-stack here. And in the future, I really want to move the radiator sideways and have a aluminum intake custom made to come out here through the front with a V-stack here in the front. I think that'd be really good. But everything is perfect. Car is running fine. Here's the 6 a.m. feed. Here's the return, which is going to the flex fuel sensor. Like I said, this is temporary here. I have a black one coming, a black block off -10. And yeah, this is it, man. Next thing after this, what I'm doing, I'm actually put on the nitrous nozzle on the intake tube and run the lines from the inside of the car outside to the solenoid and to the intake, and have that set up already. So when I go to tune, I can wire that up with the ECU, and the nitrous will kick in automatically. What I'm thinking is, I'm probably gonna tune. I'm gonna try to tune on E85, right? I'm gonna tune on E85, and probably I'm thinking hit the car maybe with a 50 shot, like that on a stock motor, and see what happens from there. I mean, I can't try to hit any more than that because the motor's completely stock. Only thing I will be doing is the timing belt and adjustable cam gear. So, and I mean, it got enough fuel to do whatever. The injectors I'll be using is 1050X IDs. So, it should have enough fuel. The Walbro for 50 is sending more than enough fuel. So, everything is pretty much good to go. It's all up to what the motor can handle. So that's what we're gonna do next. Is the nitrous on the intake. I actually got new rotors and pads, which I want to swap out and paint the calipers in the near future. But we're working, man. We're chipping away, and we're trying to get everything done. I'm just really interested in seeing how much this motor will make. I know stock they make like about 110 horsepower. So once I get it tuned, I'm curious to see what the car will make just on the motor with all the bolt-ons that I did. So I'm really curious to see that. Hopefully it should make some decent power though. I say, if I had to take a guess, I'll say in the 140-ish, 150-ish, around there, more or less. You guys tell me in the comments. Comment below and let me know how much power you think this is gonna make with all the bolt-ons and the fuel system I put on E85 on the bone stock D16 Z6 motor. So comment below and put the number up and see, and let me know what you guys think this motor is gonna make without the nitrous. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm glad you guys watched all the way to the end. For those of you that did, and make sure you give me a thumbs up on the videos, man. Let's spread out this channel. I'm trying to win so you guys could win. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I need some more subscriptions and I need some more likes and a whole lot more shares to get where I want to go, so I could be in a position where I could help you guys. So if you guys can, just hit the like button, man. It's real quick. Scroll down, hit the like. That's it. It's over with. So I appreciate every single one of y'all. What's the saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Let's chopper out of here. See ya.